me more cover Edinburgh Attention TV as so fella and I'm the best so because Attention TV or Facebook, YouTube, Twitter, okay, Attention TV, Jubene, or one more, and meeting any acquisitions, Papa's Max learning sense of a coach and call the mansion, and I'm the best more our entertainment segment. I was having trouble with my bum and someone went to me about us. Me hoa my bam copy show minimum and some meet me account what's the son kitchen. Me yes who am a chin about me kind of coins and then pepper. I was young be edge and they our Ghana memo has a ya brand so dear. Because it's the world university or all continuing education or combining music and education or very well in both of them. Now Branty, I have Branty beer. Or then you be by a Ghana phone now is so moon. But also I do yourself and any nanny, and maybe be a come. Now we you ma trendy or Ghana be yourself and any nana baby and there's all copy one so with them not so full bomb pioneer do body facha or so we never fucked the pants in the air. Then the when I am born in shuffle I have fucked up. So pray for me. Then they be a echoes come. Okay, people so our crowd there. Oh, no, I don't know you. Once then just a one for Kia to me and Peja what's up. See, I must see the hand who said, and for Kia. Obviously, then if I make no one more and name Black Sheriff. Black Sheriff, a brandy will be out, said I need to play now so. Abandon you to Mupa or did you take on a phone yourself for any India? And you come. Now, and say, Yanas, travel, the video no appear. Oh, obviously, and you come. It was with their Black Sheriff. And the same be avatar bonting at Chesenia, Kwaku The Traveller, and you may see a bag. Now, so children crowd put their dream, a broma, dream cry, element says so it's overdoing my sense and my knowledge and my abilities and everything. No, Chiromudia, a yambre kumabio, I know the children Kwaku The Traveller, I just hit say, oh my gosh. It was young. Yana in time, actually, waste. But all by the way, a snobia and a senior and shine is see about Kwaku The Traveller, age the much they say, and you know, I was Troy and I knew more Troy at that point, and you know, I won't challenge that. Whenever I the pot and I know the so simmer be. And I would day extra of the moon. But also extra, say, come here, say, when they been a boy or Nigeria or no so fun to edit yourself and you know, or quiet you be and you know, so a call rival. Now, wait, and I come here, say, Kwaku, been a boy and I just say, and cover boy Black Sheriff, say, program be. Now, say, come here, say, been a boy in Kwa and Echo. And my Ghana for minimum erase concerns about it. Then, Black Sheriff, I silence say everything but all can say no should I ready say about programs now everything is planned only say Bernard boy could be a what on now and there is nothing wrong or some so extra says the change yeah the Bernard boy yeah the Black Sheriff compare artist ja organ me mo say omanyin kakra omanyin fikakra na we ana Black Sheriff be chiro makwa say sa aden kra dia na say sa some no fa do say ni anje ho kra say onu cross that tie sa ko dia kra we has house and asene we can say enya nyum kra na onu kra no sha enti these are all people he looks up to them go to Black Sheriff embraces.
Okay. Kwaku The Traveller, let me start from there. Okay. How did that song come about?
You know, like that song like came out raw, like how we made it and everything. I was just walking past Joker's room. You know, Joker is my producer. He produced KTT. Okay. I was just walking past it and like I had chords. It was just like he had just like started making the beats, you understand? So like I heard it, overheard it. So like I got into the room. I was like, Joker, I like this beat. I said, Chef, let me more write it. You understand? So like I just merged myself in that vibration. Understand? Because like the chords were, you see, you listen to only the beat sad. Joker is a talented producer, understand? Yeah. So I just had to put myself in that merge and like flashback and like write something that I think like can people can resonate to, you understand? Because like most of the times, yeah, I write stories like my real life stories and like things that I've heard about, like people go through, I've seen, you understand? Because nothing is new under the sun. Someone somewhere can relate to it. Like I just had to put that feelings in that song and I just.
So was it your personal life experience?
It's like just balancing stuff, like real life stuff, mine, people like around me, and like not just the negative part, like the positive part, and like how it affected like the results of it. You understand what things that the person did inside and like how the results came out. You understand?
Who brought the idea of who never fuck up hands in the how this idea in the back?
That was what I wrote it. It was that
he wrote a song, not so coin and freestyle and buy.
I was writing to the beat. The beat was playing, and I was just the first word that came out of my mouth. Killer don't lie when I say I did it. Like that, and like I just wrote the full song. That's how I write songs. I just need like the two first lines. When the two first lines come out, like I just get down and like before. I wrote KTT like under 20 minutes.
So
yeah, I think so. Yeah, because it was that fast. You understand? And you know, with me, I like to make the music mean so much to me before I record it. So most of the times, people you see me around with are my producers. Most of the times, because like we make music everywhere, even when we are here. Like Joker has his laptop, he will like play something, and I'll hear, we'll make a song out of here, like just, and like I'll be singing it and stuff. So like every time on my phone, I have like 10 songs, unrecorded songs that are like I'm trying to like edit or better it or something, you understand? Because at the start of my career, yeah, I used to bust freestyles every time, all the songs I drop. Go inside, bust freestyles. But now, I feel like much should go inside. You understand? I have to like work on it. Explore the beauty. Because I know I have something like that. So I just explore the beauty, make it beautiful. Yeah, that's
so writing songs is not difficult for you?
No, not really.
It comes just easily.
It just comes. You understand? So it got sometimes like it came to me as a threat, bro. Why don't I was saying it suffer and I'm sure. So I feel like nah, it's normal to be that person like that, don't suffer to write. But then I think I should explore more than that. Think, relax and like put more in that. Yeah.
KTT, were you expecting it to go this higher as it is going right now?
Honestly, yes. Trust me. Yeah, because we put so much in that. Yeah.
So much like
ourselves in the music. Like, yeah. I wish you guys see me making music. It's more like something is possessing me. Do you understand? Because I try to like make it feel real to me before you go outside. Because trust me, when creatives, things that we put out and like comments that come about around it like affects us, our creativity, our perspectives about stuff and everything, you understand? Yeah, so like to me, I make the music mean so much to me before it goes out. Then I know where the music stands with me, like it's perfect with me, like nothing is perfect actually, but I know it's good with me, like this. Let this go out. Let this go out. You understand? Because like with people like us here, everything we do is history. 10 years back, people will go listen to this song. So if it goes out forever. So I make it mean so much to me. Make it be 100 on my side before it goes out.
Is the song about your issue with your former guy?
No. I wrote KTT before those issues came out and stuff like that. Yeah. And you know with me, you see, I don't really care about this stuff outside. Zan, you know me, I'm always about my music. Trust me. So with this stuff, like people, so what are you doing about it, Sheriff? No. I work with people, I work with lawyers. Those are the people like that in like right position to deal with those stuff. I can't handle it. I can only make music and appear for video shoots and stuff. Yeah.
Do you go out?
I don't go out most times, but sometimes. Yeah.
What will make you go out?
Small girl and the boys.
Small girl and the boys. Good boys.
Yeah, my man them. Sometimes like it gets tiring being at home. Like they get tired for me being at home like that, being a homebody, you understand? Like, yo, Sheriff, let's go out.
You don't go out because now you're a superstar or what?
No, not really. And sometimes small girl, bro, yo, I want to see. come outside, and I go outside like that. Actually, I love being at home, and you know, I don't get tired making music every time. Every second I'm alive, I'm making music.
I was saying I was University Foundation any Royal Enterprise. I'm not so much now. Me de fella o fella abeso. Me de any akusia faculty.